Hi, everyone, and welcome to Marketing Refocus 2026, the sixth edition of our flagship virtual conference. I'm Devanshi Arora, Senior Manager Customer Marketing and Alliances at Search Unify, and I shall be your host for today. Looking back 6 years, this platform began with a clear intent to reset the marketing conversation. Today, it stands as an ongoing dialogue about how the conversation keeps expanding and transforming. And I am joined by Jaskaran Singh, who will be our co host for today. He's a seasoned market research analyst with over 5 years of experience in driving data backend strategy decisions. His expertise lies in identifying growth opportunities through new market expansion analysis and deep dive industry assessments. Jaskaran, so glad to have you here.
Thanks, Devanshi. It's great to be here. And I think this is a really exciting time for marketing. There is so much changing, from how customers discover brands to how they engage to how decisions are made. And a lot of it is being shaped by AI in the ways we are still exploring.
Absolutely. We're seeing more and more intelligent discovery, more contextual experiences, and a much more stronger focus on relevance at every step.
And what's interesting is how marketing is rising to meet that.
And this is what exactly makes this year's theme so relevant: predict, personalize, and perform.
These ideas are now coming together in a much more connected way.
Indeed, and over the next few hours, we'll all explore how this is playing out across marketing. Just to keep a few things in mind before we get started and get the most out of today, you will be in listen only mode throughout the event. Drop your questions in the Q&A panel and the moderators will bring them into the conversation. Between the sessions, also feel free to visit the lounge area to have a candid conversation with our experts waiting for you at different booths. And if you face any technical issues, do not fret, we will get you back.
Thank you for taking the time to join us. We have got a packed agenda ahead and a great set of conversations lined up. Let's officially set things in motion now. To open today's event, we are joined by someone who has consistently brought a clear and practical perspective to how marketing evolves with change. Arvinder Kaur, Vice President Marketing at Grizzly Interactive. As a marketing and communications professional, Arvinder brings over 28 years of experience spanning business transformation, marketing strategy, portfolio and performance marketing, and partner marketing. She has a strong track record of designing and executing innovative marketing campaigns that accelerate brand growth, drive demand generation, and deliver measurable revenue impact. Her perspective is especially relevant today as marketing continues to become more intelligent, more connected, and more accountable. She'll be speaking on a theme that sits right at the center of everything we are going to explore today: the new marketing mandate: predict, personalize, and perform. Please join us in welcoming Arvinder Kaur.
Thank you, Jaskaran. Good morning, everyone. I want to start by asking a hard question to ourselves. Are we getting smarter or just busier? We are running faster than ever before. More campaigns, more tools, more channels, more AI pilots. We have more data, more technology, more automation than any generation of marketers before us. And yet, most of us can't confidently answer the one question that actually matters. What actually drove that result in marketing? Which touch point, which campaign, which channel? Somehow, marketers are struggling to prove the marketing impact. We are busy, but are we smart? Let me show you what research says. We pulled data from Gartner, McKinsey, Salesforce surveys of thousands of marketing leaders, and few patterns show across. Fractures that are breaking traditional marketing models. 67% of marketers are seeking predictive capabilities but don't have them yet. We are tracking engagement, scoring leads, but we can't forecast who's actually going to buy. 76% recognize that personalization needs improvement, but we have already been investing in it for a decade. And still, we are not delivering the right relevance which the customers expect. 84% are navigating AI adoption complexity, Everyone's using AI, you, me, and everybody trying free or paid models, but most teams don't have a coherent strategy. 68% buyers say brand interactions feel generic and disconnected. 58% organizations are struggling to unify customer data across channels because your CRM knows one thing, your website knows another. Nobody has the complete picture. And here's the big one: 26% can prove marketing ROI with confidence. That's only 26%. Think about it. Three quarters of marketing leaders walk into budget meetings unable to definitely say what percentage of marketing contributed to revenue. And these aren't unique problems. Dear friends, these are industry wide shifts. So, what's going on underneath all of this? Three things. First, in every average enterprise, data sits in silos. In your CRM, in your map, your website analytics, your product logs, or your service tickets. Synthesizing all that data is complex and slow. Hence, decisions get made on incomplete intelligence. Second, most often we are reactive by default. Teams optimize past campaigns and analyze historical data, whereas the opportunity lies in anticipating future behavior. Our attribution models explain what happens last quarter, not what's coming next. Third, just the name or title or CTA customization isn't enough. True relevance needs behavioral signals and contextual understanding working together. Let me show you what's changing. Here's what we know. The companies winning in 2026 aren't moving faster, they are actually moving ahead. They predict, they personalize, they perform. That's the difference, not speed, but direction. Let's understand what that means. We are witnessing 5 fundamental shifts in how marketing creates value. Reactive to predictive, which means forecasting signals before they happen, and that helps us serving our customers better. Segmented to hyper personalized, which is understanding individuals in their right context, not and very specific, not generics. And making campaigns journey-led situations, not calendarized push of automatic emails, rather continuous adaptive engagement of campaigns for optimal results. AI systems are sensing today and responding in real time, making workflows not merely automated but moving towards autonomous orchestration. And finally, data collection to decision intelligence. Instead of creating mere dashboards, synthesizing data into forward-looking action. All of this collectively are not just incremental upgrades, they are fundamental rewrites of how marketing is creating value. So, the new mandate. The big words that you see over here, these aren't buzzwords. This is the new operating model, deeply interconnected, and you can't do one without the others. Predict. AI forecasts customer behavior, churn risk, purchase propensity before you launch every campaign. Prediction is no more guesswork, it's foundational. Personalize. The same intelligence that drives your emails must also reside in your ads, in your website, your applications, and your offers. One unified brain across every channel, no contradiction. Perform by way of revenue and not reach. Deliver proofs like amount of revenue lifted, cost reduced, churn prevented. Every campaign should be tied to business outcomes. Friends, all these 3 pillars, when leveraged efficiently, will separate marketing leaders from marketing laggards in 2026. Let me show you how each of this means and how they work. Predict. Many marketers continue to rely on backward-looking metrics. They use last month's data to make tomorrow's decisions. How strange. And that's not prediction. That's archaeology. Here's the shift happening with Predict. Our old model was wait for the form fill, content download, demo request, and then react. Send follow-up emails, alert sales, start nurture. But the new model is forecast intent many days early. Identify which accounts are entering your buying cycles, what are the buying groups, gather information around them, synthesize and leverage it. Companies who are doing this see 2.9x higher ROI, deals close 1.6 times faster, and this is not marginal. This is rather significant improvement. AI is transforming prediction in three ways. AI is transforming historical patterns into forward-looking signals so you can act on intent before expression. AI is creating your real-time user behaviors, checking them over static demographics to target where the customers are going and not where they have been. AI is also bidding on likelihood to convert persona and not just impressions, and that is resulting in 30 to 40% CAC reduction. Let me show you all this through a real example. We at Grazity happened to work with a cybersecurity company some months ago, an enterprise scale company. Their challenge was sales spent 10 to 20 hours researching each strategic account, pulling data from Snowflake, Salesforce, LinkedIn, and so many other sources, manually compiling all that. Unfortunately, the insights they got from all this were inconsistent. Deal cycles were slow and data was scattered everywhere. We built them a multi-agent AI sales intelligence platform. What happens then? Research time, just 5 minutes. 95% reduction in 100% automated citation-backed account summaries that sellers could absolutely trust. Deal velocity up by 50%, proposals became faster, and real-time responses started. That is prediction. In essence, you are there before it happens. Now let's talk about personalized. 76% customers say brands get personalization wrong, irrelevant messages, bad timing. Sad. We add a first name to the email and think we have personalized. But real personalization isn't who is somebody, it's actually what they are trying to accomplish at a particular point of time. Trust me, context matters, intent matters, timing matters. Earlier, marketing used to do batch and blast, same message to all. Then happened segmentation by industry or company size, but still it was broad. In 2024, if I look back, marketers started to use dynamic content and conditional logic. But currently in this year, 2026, it's all about contextual intelligence, real-time, behavioral, focused on one individual at a time. Now that's a shift from demographic targeting to contextual relevance. How is AI making personalization work at scale? First, AI targets and aggregates data from every touch point, whether it's your CRM, your app, your website, email, social, purchase history, invoicing tool, whatever, into a single living profile per individual. Second, it interprets intent and context in real time, factoring recency, channel, timing, journey stage, everything. Third, a unified intelligence drives across email, ads, website, push notifications consistently, and that's how you deliver relevance at scale. An example to highlight this and clarify this point is, we worked with a healthcare provider, a company with 5 to 10,000 employees in again US. They were sending generic appointment reminders to their outpatients. Unfortunately, this was witnessing low open rates, rising no-shows, static website, and the pre-visit forms were also not fully completed. On request, the team Grazity implemented behavior-driven email journeys for this client, real-time web personalization, and AMP script messaging adapting to patient care timeline and last visit. What's the outcome we saw? 23% increase in annual bookings. Not from sending more emails, but sending the right message at the right time. 30% improvement in form completion and significant reduction in no-shows. All this was possible because of the multi-touch reminders that actually got people to show up. Now let's talk about perform. In a world where average B2B deals involve 11 plus touch point across 6 or more channels over 6 to 18 months, we often give all the credit to the last thing that happened. That single touch attribution is insufficient now. These metrics that you see on the right are over. What counts now is pipeline influenced, revenue attributed, CAC payback, customer LTV. The conversation has fundamentally shifted from what did we spend to what did we earn. And how is AI transforming performance management? Well, AI unifies campaign, pipeline, sales, and customer data into a single performance layer, then attributes revenue to specific content and channels. With help of AI, budgets, bids, and audiences self-optimize in real time based on live signals. No waiting for end-of-term campaign reports. AI measures contribution to pipeline, retention, revenue growth, everything that is pivotal to business. The 3 pillars we have talked about so far create a loop, a compounding advantage. Prediction tells you where to focus, which accounts are entering your buying cycle, which customers are at risk. Personalization delivers the right messages to those opportunities in the right context, right time, right channels. Performance proves which predictions were accurate and which personalizations worked. That data feeds back, making the prediction smarter. Sharpen this and repeat, every loop compounds. AI becomes a connective tissue that makes prediction, personalization, and performance work together, making your marketing smarter every quarter, every month, because it's learning. Let me try and paint a picture of what's coming next. Gartner, Forrester, McKinsey all forecast multi-agent AI systems going mainstream. No pilots, truly mainstream. All co-pilots will shift marketers from manual execution to strategic decision making, and creativity is your moat. Predictive intelligence engines recommend next best actions across all the channels, making life much easier. Marketing measurement will be tied strictly to business outcomes, no more vanity metrics. Agentic AI handles 50% of customer interactions. 90% of B2B buying cycles will become AI agent intermediated. Now, 3 priorities that will determine whether you're leading the shift or reacting to it. First, fix your data foundation right now, today. Unify data across platforms, across systems, establish quality standards, set up governance, build a single source of truth so that when your data is clean, you can unlock the true value of AI. Second, build AI literacy in your team and in yourself. Don't delegate this. Personal fluency matters. Third, implement multi-touch attribution, build revenue dashboards, speak CFO language. And that's everything we are going to talk about today. You'll hear from marketing experts living these transformations in all the listed below topics with real examples and real solutions. Finally, before I hand over, one final thought. We are at a promising stage. We have technology to genuinely drive business outcomes. We can predict which accounts will buy. We are able to do prediction, personalization, and performance. And that's the new marketing mandate. So, welcome to Marketing Refocus 2026. Let's begin.
Thank you, Arvinder. The way you opened today's conversation has truly set the tone right for what promises to be an insightful and forward-looking event. So once again, thank you for setting the stage, Arvinder. Just a quick reminder before we start the next session, our SMEs are available in the booth area and the virtual lounge. Feel free to get in touch with them directly if you are looking for solutions or more in-depth information on any of the topics that we are going to discuss today. Now, let's head back to the main stage for our upcoming keynote, the Intelligence-Led Growth Engine, predicting intent, personalizing at scale, and proving impact. See you there.